From here. Oh, I can come.
How you do like that? Disconnect those pipes, then we remove the master cylinder. So now after removing, you get a container. We drain out that brake fluid in that container. That secure that washer.
And there too.
Now pull it out. Now drain out all that brake fluid. Only the clean one, that one don't drain. That one we are going to pour it.
This one is done.
This is our servo, and this one you're seeing here, this is the push rod that keeps on pushing the master cylinder when you're braking, because it always comes like this, in and out, to push brake fluid to go through these pipes such that it can go and brake through these ones here. So I've opened to check why the vehicle is not braking properly. You may find that the rubbers in the master cylinder are worn out. See this color, this shows that the rubbers in the master cylinder were worn out. That's why you find that the bottom is having those dusty particles or black substances, meaning that the rubbers inside here are worn out. Those are the ones that, because these rubbers inside are the one responsible for pushing brake fluid to go through these pipes you're seeing here, to go through this pipe and this one, which takes to the wheels. So now we have to open this to check and see if the rubbers are worn out. We do the needful and replace them. This is our master cylinder.